Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. I will show you how to create an animation using HTML and CSS. As you can see on my computer screen, here I have one website with moving car animation. I have different images here for background, city, road, car and wheels. The city, road and car images are moving and wheels are rotating at its position. So you will learn to make this running car animation using CSS, and you can find all the images link in the description, so that you can also make a website with animation. Before starting this video, I will request you to hit the like button and subscribe if you are new on my channel. Now let's start this video. Here I have one folder, and in this folder I have so many images and one HTML file and one CSS file. You can find all the images link in the description. Now I will open my text editor, which is brackets editor. So this is my HTML file and this one is CSS file. You can see I have already connected the HTML file with CSS with this line of code. Next we will come to the body, and here we'll create one div, and the class name I am writing hero. Let's copy this class name and come to the CSS file. Here we will add height, width, background image, background size, background position. Position will be relative and overflow X hidden. Let's open this HTML file with Google Chrome. Now you can see full screen image on this web page. Let's come back to the HTML file again. Now we will add one more div, and the class name I am writing highway. Let's copy this class name and come to the CSS file. Write it here. Then we'll write height 200 pixel, then width 500%, display will be block, background image, position absolute, bottom 0 and left 0, right 0. Z index it will be 1. Just reload the web page and you can see this highway image at the bottom. Now we will add animation in this image. So I am writing animation highway 5 second linear infinite. Just copy this highway, and for this one we will write keyframes. Write 100%, transform translate X minus 3400 pixel, and here we will add background repeat X. That's it. Save these changes and refresh the web page. Now you can see this highway image is moving towards left. Again we will come back to the HTML file and just duplicate this line and change the class name. So this one will be city. Just copy this class name city and come to the CSS file. Write city here, and again here we'll add height and width, background image, position will be absolute, bottom 200 pixel, left 0, right 0, display block, Z index will be 1, and background repeat X, and animation city 20 second linear infinite. Let's copy this city, then write keyframes. 100% transform translate X minus 1400 pixel. Again refresh the web page and you can see one city image and it is also moving towards left. Again come back to the HTML file and here we'll create one div and class name I am writing car. And in this div we'll add one image, so I am using img source and the image file name. Let's copy this class name car and come to the CSS file. Here we'll add width, it will be 400 pixel, left 50%, bottom 100 pixel, transform translate x minus 50%, position will be absolute, z index 2. Let's copy it again, then write img. For this image width will be 100%. Save these changes and reload the web page. Now you can see this car image on this web page. Now we will add animation on this car also. So here we'll add animation car 1 second linear infinite. Let's copy this car, write keyframes 100%, transform translate y minus 1 pixel. Let's duplicate it. This will be 50% and this one 0%, and this one will become plus 1 pixel. Save these changes and reload the web page. Now you can see this car is moving towards up and down by 1 pixel. After this div, we will add one more div and the class name I am writing wheel. And here we'll add image. So I am writing img source and the file name, that is wheel.png. Let's add one class name. So it is back wheel. Let's duplicate this one and this one we will change to front wheel. So we have two images here. Let's copy this class name wheel, write it in the CSS file. Here we'll add left 50%, bottom 178 pixel, transform translate x minus 50%. Position will be absolute, z index 2. Let's copy it again. Here we'll write img, width will be 72 pixel, height also 72 pixel. Just save these changes and reload the web page. Now you can see this wheel image on this web page. Now we have to fix the image position. Let's come back to the file again and copy class name back wheel. Add it here. So for this one we'll add left minus 165 pixel, position absolute. Let's copy it again and this one will change it to front, and left we will add 80 pixel. Again refresh the web page and you can see these wheels are at correct position. Next we have to rotate these wheels. For that we will use the animation. So here we'll add animation wheel 1 second linear infinite. Let's copy this wheel and write keyframes. We'll write 100%, transform, rotate 360 degree. That's it. Save these changes and reload the web page. Now you can see these wheels are rotating at its position. So finally you can see it looks like this car is moving on this road. So it was very easy to create this kind of animation on web page using HTML and CSS. If you have any doubt about this video, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share this video.